Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos of roti. First, prepare your roti dough with flour, water, and a pinch of salt. Knead it well until smooth and elastic. Then, roll out each portion into a thin, circular shape, aiming for about 6 inches in diameter. Cook these on a hot griddle until they are lightly browned and beautifully puffed up. Now, let's focus on the delicious heart of your taco. Select a protein, perhaps seasoned ground meat or spiced lentils, and cook it thoroughly. Dice fresh vegetables like onions, tomatoes, and cilantro for added texture and flavor. Don't forget to prepare a vibrant sauce or chutney to perfectly complement your chosen filling. With your roti and filling ready, it's time to bring everything together. Take a warm, pliable roti and lay it flat. Spoon a generous amount of your delicious, prepared filling onto one half of the roti. Then, customize it with your favorite toppings, perhaps some fresh herbs or a sprinkle of cheese, and a final drizzle of your chosen sauce. Your delicious roti tacos are now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Gently fold the roti over the filling to create that classic taco shape. It's best to serve these immediately while the roti is still warm and wonderfully pliable. Get ready to savor this unique and incredibly flavorful culinary creation, a true delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.